Namaste students, welcome back to your maths class. Today we are going to see about the continuation of decimals. In the last class we have seen what is decimal, introduction of decimals, ascending order, comparing, descending order, like that we have seen children. Today we are going to see about the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimals. See, first we are going to see the addition of decimals. See ma, 0.3 plus 0.4. See, 3 portions are shaded in blue color and 4 portions are shaded in green color. These two portions will be added now. 0.3 plus 0.4. See, we have to put the decimal point straight. Eppadi nama ones place, tens place straight எழுதுவோமோ, the same way 10th place நேர 10th place, 100th place நேர 100th place. Like that only we have to write children. 3 plus 4, 7. After that decimal point is there. So that we have to put 0 plus 0, 0. Therefore, 0.3 plus 0.4 is 0.7, 0.7. The same way, see here ma, in the speaker 0.4 liter is filled. In this beaker 0.5 liter is filled. How much of total of these things? See, 0.4 plus 0.5. 5 plus 4, 9. This is decimal point, then 0. We have to put the decimal numbers in that position. 10th place na 10th place la edunum, 100th place na 100th place la number straight edunum. Is it clear children? Next we are going to see the decimal, another one addition. See, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 is carrying over. Next 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 0, 1 is carrying over. Again 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. Then we have to put this decimal point here. Next 0 plus 0, 0, then 1. Are you understand this addition ma? Is it clear? As usual the same normal addition we are doing. See, we are going to see one word problem from this. In the morning, the school bus travels 4.755 km from William's house to the school. In the evening, it takes a 5.85 km long route from the school to his house. What distance does William travel every day on the school bus? ஒரு நாள் ஃபுல்லா எவ்வளவு நேரம் ஸ்கூல் பஸ்ல டிராவல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க வில்லியம் அப்படினு क्वेश्चन கேக்குறாங்க. So first we are writing the statement as distance traveled from house to school. வீட்ல இருந்து ஸ்கூலுக்கு போறதுக்கு எவ்வளவு நேரம் ஆகுது? 4.755. The same way distance traveled from school to house. ஸ்கூல்ல இருந்து வீட்டுக்கு வரதுக்கு எவ்வளவு நேரம்? 5.850. We have to write the number straight away. பாருங்க 1000th place நேர 1000th place. இங்க பாருங்க 5.85 தான் கொடுத்துட்டாங்கமா. எப்பவுமே நம்ம வந்து லைக் டெசிமல்ஸா கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு தான் அடிஷன், சப்ட்ராக்ஷன், மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன், டிவிஷன் எல்லாமே பண்ணா நமக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். சோ see 5 க்கு நேரா நம்ம 0 போட்டுப்போம். ஏனா 5.85 தான் இருக்கு. நம்ம எழுதும்போது இப்படி எழுத கூடாது. This is wrong. 4.755 5.085 எழுத கூடாது. பாயிண்ட்க்கு பக்கத்துல நமக்கு என்ன நம்பர் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்காங்களோ we have to write this number. This is wrong. This is the right way. பாயிண்ட்க்கு பக்கத்துல நமக்கு என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ அந்த நம்பரை கரெக்ட்டா அதுக்கு நேரா எழுதணும். லாஸ்ட்ல இருக்க நம்பருக்கு தான் நமக்கு 0 போடணும். இப்ப நம்பரே இல்ல லாஸ்ட்ல அப்படிங்கும்போது we can add zeros. ஏன்னா last classly I have informed children that we can add zeros at the end of the decimal places. It has no values. It does not change the value of the decimal number. Hence we can add 0 at the end of the decimal places. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry over. Then 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry over. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Therefore, distance traveled every day to school is 10.605 kilometer. This should be read as 10.605 kilometer. அப்படிதான் நம்ம ரீட் பண்ணோம். 10.605 kilometer னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. 10.605 kilometer, like that only you have to say children. Now subtraction of decimals. In this we have already known the subtraction children. In decimals how we are going to do the subtraction, now we have to see. See, arrange in columns and subtract. Here 25 is the whole number. 2.505 is the decimal number. We have to convert this 25 also as a whole number. How we are going to convert this? We can write this now 25.000. Like decimals la nama maatitona namakku easy ah irukum pa nama addition pandradhukku subtraction pandradhukku ellame. See next number 2.505 எப்படி எழுத போறோம் பாருங்க. 10th place la 5, 100th place la 0, again 1000th place la தான் நம்ம 5 போடுறோம். அதுக்கு மேல நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா 25 க்கு அந்த place தான் empty இருக்கு. We have put zeros on that place. See 5 cannot be subtracted from 0. Hence we have to group here. We have to group the number from 5. This grouping we have already seen in grade 3 and grade 4 children. Hence I have done as it is. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Then 4 minus 2, 2. This 2 will come as it is. Hence we have arranged the numbers in columns. Columns in the sense one below the other. Then we are going to subtract. Because as we have started now only in grade 5, no this. Hence we have to subtract, arrange in columns, then we are subtracting. Next one, we are going to see one word problem in this subtraction children. See, on his 10th birthday, Akbar was 1.13 meter tall. On his 11th birthday, he was 1.2 meter tall. By how much did his height increase in 1 year? அக்பர் வந்து அவங்களோட ஹைட் பத்தி சொல்றாங்க. 10th பர்த்டேல எவ்வளவு இருந்தாங்க, 11th பர்த்டேல எவ்வளவு இருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. See children, 11th birthday தான் அவங்க height அதிகமா இருக்காங்க 1.2. See here 1.13 only they have given. Therefore for subtraction increase, see children, increase, left, decrease, comparing, more இந்த மாதிரி வேர்ட்லாம் வந்துச்சுனா we have to do the subtraction only. These are the hints given for subtraction children. See so height on his 11th birthday, first நம்ம பெரிய நம்பர் தான் நம்ம சப்ட்ராக்ஷன்ல போடுவோம். So height on his 11th birthday is 1.2 meter tall mark. இங்க வந்து 1.13 meter. என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேனா 1.20 ன்னு எழுதிருக்கேன் because we can add zeros at the end of the decimal place. It does not change its value. Hence I have written 1.20. Height on his 10th birthday is 1.13. Now we are going to do the subtraction. Same way we cannot subtract 3 from 0. Hence we are grouping here. This 10 minus 3 is 7. 1 minus 1, 0. Again 1 minus 1, 0. Hence height increase in 1 year. 1 year அவர் எவ்வளவு height increase ஆயிருக்காங்கன்னா 0.07 meter. The next one we are going to do the multiplication. Multiplication of decimals we are going to see. See with the 10, 100, 1000 when we multiply the numbers, decimal numbers, how the numbers will change. Like that we are going to see now. So when I multiply by 10, that is 1 0 is there, means the decimal part, the decimal point will move to one place to the right side. See நம்ம இப்படி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும்னா 57.6. ஒரு 0 இருந்துச்சுன்னா decimal point 1 number right side move ஆகும். இங்க பாருங்க 2 zeros are there. We are multiplying with 2 zeros. It is 100. Decimal point moves to 2 places to the right side. Therefore the number is 25. Okay va, இது நம்ம இன்னொரு கூட இப்படி சொல்லாம இப்படி வரும். நமக்கு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி போடும்போது 25.00. ஆனா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம ஒரு நம்பருக்கு முன்னாடி பாயிண்ட் மீன் 2 numbers are here, no, so we will put the decimal point before 2 numbers. அப்ப நமக்கு என்ன 25.00 னா we can simply write as 25 here. That is what. So 2.35 into 1000. We are going to move this decimal point to 3 places to the right side. That is 2, 3, 5, 0. You understand children how we have done? Decimal point 1, 2, 3 places. And the third place the number illangala we have put 0, 2, 3, 5, 0. Same way 0.333 இருக்குமா, the answer 3.33 வந்திருக்கு. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன நம்பர் இங்க மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 3.33 வரும் அப்படி நமக்கு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So we have to multiply by 10. See, 10 இருக்கும்போது என்ன சொல்லிருக்க decimal point ஒரு place மூவ் ஆயிட்டு நமக்கு decimal point வைப்போம். இங்கே நமக்கு ஒரு place தான் மூவ் ஆயிருக்கு. இங்க இருந்து இங்க வந்திருக்கு. So ஒரு place னும்போது we have to multiply by 10. Here இங்க வந்திருக்கு நமக்கு decimal point. So here also we have to multiply by 10. 0.3. Now one word problem in multiplication of decimals ma. See, a packet of biscuits weigh 50.25 gram. Meera bought 15 packets for her birthday. What was the total weight of the biscuits? ஒரு packet oda weight 50.25 gram. Hence I written the statement weight of one packet is equal to 50.25 gram. Next, how many packets Meera bought? 15 packets. Hence I written number of packets is equal to 15. What was the total weight of the biscuits? Total varangumbodhu neenga confuse aidakudadu. Here you don't want to do the addition. Here we have to do the multiplication because this is in weight, in grams, this is in packets. Where unit la irukku. So we have to multiply these two numbers here. Here, see ma, I have done the multiplication. 5 5s are 25. In the in between steps, we don't want to bother about that decimal point. At the end of the multiplication only, we have to concentrate about the decimal point. Here we are doing the as usual multiplication. First, this ones place number should be multiplied here. 5 5s are 25. 2 carried over. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Again 1 carried there. Then 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 5. 5 5s are 25. Next, when you have taken the tens place number, you have to put the 0 or into symbol, anything, star symbol like that. Then we have to start with the tens place number multiplication and we have to write the number from the tens place. Hence, 5 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5. Next, we are going to add these two numbers. 5 plus star 5 because there is no number. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 7. 1 plus 2 3. 5 plus 0 5. 2 plus 5 7. Now we have to concentrate on this decimal point. See, before how many numbers decimal point is there? Before 2 numbers decimal point is there. Hence we have to put the decimal point before 2 numbers from the last in the answer and we have to put the decimal point here. Then the answer is 753.75 gram. Is it okay, ma? Next we are going to do the division of decimals. What is the formula for division, ma? The rule, division rule is there, no? Divisor into quotient is equal to dividend. Why you are using this? Because we are going to do the division and check the answer by multiplication. For this rule is very important. That is divisor into quotient equal to dividend. See, now I am going to do the division with 233.13 is divided by 3. Here also the same way, we should not bother about this decimal point when we are doing the division. We have to write the number as it is 233.13. The divisor is 3. This is the division, this is the divisor. Now, see, 233.13 we are going to divide by 3, ma. 3 7s are 21. The first number is 2, which is less than 3. So we cannot divide, hence I have taken 23. So 3 7s are 21. We know division is the repeated subtraction. Hence we are subtracting this 21 from 23. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then we are bringing this 3 down. Then 23 again. Again 3 7s are 21. Again we are subtracting. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. This we need not put there. Then this one we are bringing down. So 21. 3 7s are 21. So 21 minus 21 is 0. Then we are bringing the next number 3 here. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now only we have to concentrate on this decimal point, ma. See, before how many numbers? See, where after which decimal point this 7 has come? Where this 7 has come? If we are doing with this one, we are bringing this 1 down. We have to taken this number from the decimal after decimal point, this 1. Hence we are putting the decimal point here, 77.71. Now we are going to do the check the answer by multiplication, that is divisor into quotient. This is the divisor into quotient. This is the quotient. When you are doing the multiplication of these things, we have to get this dividend. Then only our division is correct. That we have to check marks. These are 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, 2 carried over, 3 sevens are 21 plus 2, 23, 2 carried over, 3 sevens are 21 plus 2, 23. Again, before two numbers decimal point is there, hence we are putting the decimal point here. This is same as 233.13. Divide, continue dividing till the remainder is 0. Remainder 0 வர வரைக்கும் நம்ம டிவிஷன் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. லாஸ்ட் டைம் நம்ம மாதிரி பண்ணல, we have stopped. ஆனா நமக்கு ஆன்சர் 0 தான் வந்துருச்சு. பட் இந்த சம்ல நமக்கு given dividing till the remainder is 0. 0 வர வரைக்கும் நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே போணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. 6.68 divided by 5. We have put the dividend 6.68. Divisor is 5. Now we are going to divide this number. 5 ones are 5. Since this is a continuous subtraction, repeated subtraction, 6 minus 5 is 1. Then we are bringing this 6 down. Then it becomes 16. Then 5 3s are 15. Here, see children, the decimal point in the division la vandu நம்ம decimal point எப்படி வைக்கணும்னா the dividend க்கு மேல நாம நேரா புள்ளி வச்சிரணும். இப்போ நம்ம அடிஷன்லாம் பண்ணும்போது எப்படி பண்ணுவோம்? 3.56 5.65 இப்படி இருக்குன்னா நேரா டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் வச்சிருக்கோமா? அதே மாதிரி நம்ம இந்த டிவிஷன் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் டிவிடெண்ட்ல எங்க டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் இருக்கோ அதுக்கு நேரா மேல கோஷன்ட்லயும் டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் வச்சிரணும். ஓகேவா? Then we have put 5 3s are 15. Repeated subtraction, 6 minus 5 is 1. Then we are bringing this 8 down, 18. Then 5 3s are 15. Again repeated subtraction, 8 minus 5 is 3. Now we get the remainder 3 here ma, but they have told do the division till the remainder is 0. Hence we are inserting one 0 here, because in decimal numbers we are adding zeros at the decimal place, means it does not change its value. Hence we are inserting, we can insert the 0. That 0 we are bringing down. 5 6 are 30. Then 30 minus 30 0. We got the remainder as 0. Hence the answer is 6.68. நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்னா 1.336. Division, one word problem in see children. Rupees 100 was equally distributed among 8 children. How much money did each child get? See, number of children is equal to, I written the statement like this. Number of children is equal to 8. ஏனா 8 பிள்ளைகளுக்கு கொடுக்கறாங்கன்னு தான் சொல்றாங்கமா. Hence I written number of children equal to 8. How much rupees is distributed? Rupees 100 is distributed. Hence amount distributed is equal to rupees 100. Amount got by each child. That is a question asking how much money did each child get? ஒரு குழந்தைக்கு எவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட் கிடைக்கும்? 8 குழந்தைகளுக்கு 100 ரூபாய் கொடுக்கும்போது ஒரு குழந்தைக்கு எவ்வளவு கிடைக்கும்போது amount got by each child is equal to rupees 100 divided by 8. That I have done here children. See the division 100 8. Here 8 ones are 8. 1 is less than 8, so we cannot do. We have taken this 10. So 8 ones are 8. Next 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 10 minus 8 is 2. Then we bring down this 0. Then 8 2s are 16. Then we are going to do the repeated subtraction. Here grouping 10 minus 6 is 4. Then we are inserting here remainder 4 nu vandirukuma, but just now we have seen one sum. Continue divide till the remainder is 0 nu ஒரு sum நம்ம பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? அதே மாதிரி தான் இந்த சம்மும். See 8 5s are 40 நமக்கு வரானா நம்ம ஒரு 0 ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கோம், இன்சர்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் 0வை. அந்த 0 இன்சர்ட் பண்றதனால we can put 40 here. Therefore 8 5s are 40. Then 40 minus 40 is 0. Remainder 0 வந்துருச்சு. Remainder 0 வர வரைக்கும் நாம டிவிஷன் பண்ணிட்டே போறோம். Then the answer is 12.5. Here I am going to write this as 12.50. ஏன்னா பாருங்கம்மா, இந்த rupees நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணும்போது டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட்க்கு அப்புறம் 2 டெசிமல் பிளேसेस கண்டிப்பா வரணும். We can't write this as 12.5 ன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. 12.50. rupees 12 50 paise அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்காக இது நாம பண்ணிருக்கோமா. Next we are going to see the unitary method. Unitary method நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்திருக்கோமா. In chapter 3 itself we have seen what is meant by unitary method. We have to find the value of one item, that is called unitary method. See, this is also one word problem. The price of a dozen bananas is rupees 75. Find the cost of 15 bananas. Dozen na enna அர்த்தம்? Dozen banana means 12 bananas are there. Therefore, cost of 12 bananas they have given us rupees 75. We have to find the cost of 1 banana. Then only we can find the cost of 15 bananas. Hence the method unit. Unit is represented for this one. Cost of 1 banana நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் இல்லையா? அதுக்காக தான் இந்த மெத்தடுக்கு நேமே வந்து unitary method அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So cost of 12 bananas தான் rupees 75. We want cost of 1 banana. Therefore we have to do 75 by 12. Therefore we have to do the division here. 75 12. Here 12 6 are 72. The remainder is, when we subtract 5 minus 2 is 3. Then we can insert 0 and put the decimal point. Where we are inserting 0, there we have to put the decimal point in the quotient. Then we are bringing down this 3. Again 12 2s are 24. Remainder 0 வரைக்கும் we can do the division in the decimals. So again when you are subtracting, regrouping, here 10, here it becomes to 10 minus 4 is 6. Again we can insert 0, then bring down this 0. Therefore 12 5s are 60. When you are subtracting, repeated subtraction, the answer is 0. Therefore we get the answer as rupees 6.25 paise. Or understand now, cost of 1 banana is rupees 6.25. They are asking cost of 15 bananas. Therefore, cost of 15 bananas is equal to rupees 6.25 into 15. Cost of 15 bananas is equal to rupees 6.25 into 15 Noma. So now we are going to multiply 15 into 6.25. 5 5s are 25. 2 carried over, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. 1 carried over, then 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31. In the during multiplication, in between these places we don't want to put the decimal point. At the end of the answer only you have to put the decimal point. Children, see next one, we have to take the tens place number. This 1 is there. So in the ones place we are putting cross or 0 or whatever it may be. So 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 6 are 6. Next we are going to add these two numbers. This 5 here, 2 plus 5 7, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9. Then see ma, after 2 numbers decimal point is there from the website. Then here also we have to put the decimal point after 2 numbers from the left side. Hence the cost of 15 bananas is rupees 93.75. And hope you have understood the concept. I have attached the worksheet file along with this video. Do the worksheets regularly, children. Thank you.